The annular solar eclipse will occur today. The moon will pass in front of the sun, casting a shadow across part of the earth. This eclipse is being popularly called the Ring of Fire. The annular solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and the earth while it is at its farthest point from earth. Because the moon is farther away from earth than usual, it appears smaller than the sun and does not completely cover the sun. This creates what looks like a ring of fire in the sky. Will the solar eclipse be visible in India?
An annular solar eclipse will be visible in parts of South America, and a partial solar eclipse will be visible in parts of South America, Antarctica, North America, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean including Hawaii.
As per space, the moon shadow during the solar eclipse will move faster than the speed of a fighter jet. The moon shadow will appear to travel at vastly different speeds depending on your location. In some places it will move faster than 6 million mph. In others it will travel as slow as 1278 mph or about the speed of a fighter jet. Is it safe to see the sun during a solar eclipse even when the eclipse is not visible to your area? Even during a solar eclipse that is not visible in your area, be cautious when trying to look at the sun. During a solar eclipse, total or partial, direct observations of the sun's rays is extremely dangerous to the eyes. But if the eclipse is not observable at your place, it does not mean that you can see the sun directly. Gazing at the sun's directly naked eye at any time, apart from an eclipse, can permanently damage the retina, a condition termed as solar retinopathy. However, when the eclipse is not visible in your locality, you may not need special solar viewing glasses or filters. However, other precautions must be taken if you are observing the sun. Never look the sun directly as it can damage your eyes. The sun should be viewed through specialized solar filters, eclipse glasses or indirectly through pinhole projectors.